Welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the Village of Piedmont in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Let's go in and take a look. Welcome friends. The first thing I notice walking up is the cement driveway. It does have a pattern and a color to it. Looks very nice. This is a wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. You can see the solar tube up there on the roof. It has very mature landscaping. It has a 2-car garage. It has a screened-in lanai or porch area in the front. That's very nice. As always, please contact the listing agent, Kristin Wendt, at Realty Executives if you have any questions about this home. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. This gives you a panoramic view of the roof. That roof looks in very good condition. Let's walk inside and take a look. Here we are in the front entrance area. First thing I notice is this wood engineered flooring. It's very nice. I also notice the very high ceilings in this home, and the crown molding is awesome. That wood engineered floor is awesome. When I pan off to the right, I do see a guest quarters. There are 2 bedrooms in this area as well as a bathroom. Let's go in and take a look at one of these bedrooms. Very nice. The bedroom does have acoustic textured ceilings. It does have a bifold door closet. The wood engineered floors continue in this room. Very nice. In the hallway, the wood engineered floors continue. Here would be the guest bathroom. Does have tile floors. In the guest bathroom, it has a single bowl sink. Very nice wide molding in this home. Does have the acoustic textured ceiling. It does have a tub with glass sliding doors. Very nice. The tub is, and surround is fiberglass or plastic. Very nice, very well kept home. It shows very well. This is another guest bedroom. Let's take a walk into this guest bedroom. It does have plantation shutters. Very nice wide crown molding continues in this room. This is a very beautiful home. This bedroom is located in the front of the home. You can see out to the street there. I will take a panoramic view of the street. I know some of my subscribers like to see what direction this home faces. Let's take a walk into the kitchen area. Off to the left in the foyer is the kitchen area. It does have ceramic tile floors, very wide crown molding, very high ceilings, acoustic texture on the ceilings. There is the solar tube in the kitchen that we saw from outside. This home has stainless appliances. It does have a gas stove, solid surface countertops, white cabinets with brushed steel, brushed nickel hardware. It does have a double bowl sink. Very nice and neutral, this home. That is a small dinette area as well here in the kitchen. Very beautiful home. This is a panoramic view of from the kitchen into the living and dining room area. That would be a dining room area there. That would be a living room area there. It does have speakers in the ceiling for like a home entertainment system. There are speakers against that back wall next to those windows as well. From the kitchen, we are going to take a look at the master bedroom area. From the kitchen area, I will walk into the laundry area and into the garage area. It does have inside laundry with ceramic tile in the laundry area. It has the crown molding continuing in here, and cabinets, and a sink. I will now walk out into the garage and show you the 2-car garage. It does have painted cement floors in the garage. The garage door does have windows to let light in. That's always welcome. It does have a water softener in the corner over there. And the mechanicals are over there. Give you perspective of this garage. Very nice, neat and clean. Again, please refer to your specification sheet for the ages of the mechanicals, or contact the listing agent if you want more information on this home. The wood engineered floors continue into the master bedroom area. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture on the ceilings, wide crown molding in this room. As you enter the master bedroom, this is in the back of the home, this master bedroom. Very high ceilings. That's looking out into the kitchen area. That's looking into the master bathroom area. We will go in there next. In the master bedroom, you do have a sliding patio door out into the lanai. That is a very nice lanai as well. Here we go into the bathroom area, and I do notice 2 walk-in closets. One on the left, it has a sliding pocket door. Closet organizers, lots of closet organizers in this closet on the left side. The wood engineered floors continue in that closet. Very nice. There is a closet on the right side. It does have a sliding pocket door. Wood engineered floors continue in this closet, as well as the closet organizers. Very nice. Very nice. I will video the specification sheet to give you the particulars on this home. Let's continue into the bathroom area. It does have ceramic tile floors. It does have a separate commode room. There is beautiful wood cabinetry. Nice sink. This bathroom looks like it has many updates. That's a very awesome light fixture as well. Very, very nice light fixture in this bathroom. It does have 2 sinks. Very high ceilings. Has a window. Let's walk into the commode room. It does have the ceramic tile in the commode room and the shower room. The shower is tiled with a glass door. There's a window, nice and light and bright. Let's take a look at what that shower looks like. Crown molding continues in this shower area. Very nice and neutral shower. Tile. Very nice. It does have a seat in that shower right there. Very, very nice. Looking from the commode room into the bathroom area. Very high ceilings as well. Okay, let's take a walk out and take a look at that lanai area. And the back of the home. We're actually going to walk into the lanai from the master bedroom. And the first thing I notice is that awesome concrete textured floor. It is really nice. I think that's a concrete textured floor. Please contact the listing agent if you have any questions or refer to the specification sheet of this home. This lanai is really large. It has sliding glass windows. Here you're looking from the lanai into the living and dining and kitchen area. Very nice private backyard. That is a courtyard villa neighborhood that is right behind this home. Let's walk back here. This is the backyard. Has a nice pergola. Very private, very secluded home. Very quiet neighborhood. Well decorated. That's the side yard, and that's the pergola. Very nice home. Low maintenance back here. There is no lawn to cut. All right, let's take a walk out back into the living room and dining room area. I'll give you a closer look at the living and dining room area. This would be your living room area. You can see the speaker for your entertainment system in each corner. You see the speaker for the entertainment system. That's a speaker up there. That's a speaker over there. Panning off into the kitchen area, that would be over there, would be the dining room area. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture on the ceilings. Very nice home. Very spacious. Many updates in this home. Just give you another angle, another perspective of this home. I will video the specification sheet. As always, please contact the listing agent. If you have any questions about this home, the listing agent is Kristin Wendt at Realty Executives. That is her contact information right there. This home is located at 178 Southeast 85th Ellerby Avenue in the Villages, Florida. It is list priced at $425,000. It was built in the year 2002. It is a wood-framed home. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. As always, please pause the video if you want more information and want to read this specification sheet. I will turn this specification sheet over so you can see the size of the rooms and the room dimensions. There are the room dimensions of this home. I will next walk outside the home to the street. I'll pan the street and let you know the direction of this home. Very nice home, very well decorated. Many updates to this home. Tile backsplash in the kitchen. Let's take a walk out to the street. Give you a panoramic view of the street. Having this front patio area enclosed with screens is very nice. That's very nice here in the Villages. Wow, that's a beautiful, I think that's a bougainvillea bush. Here we are panning the front of the home. Let's walk to the street. I will pan the street. Panning this way, that would be facing south. That is your home. This is panning north. Again, thank you everyone for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Take care. Thank you for joining, friends, this open house video here in the Village of Piedmont in the Villages, Florida. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is wood framed. Thank you for joining. Take care, everybody.